Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It's day number 4 of our 21 days to a clean home challenge. And today we are adding one of my all-time favorite habits. It's super easy, super simple, and it's gonna make a huge impact on your day. It's making the bed. So I love this one, number one, because there's nothing better than getting into a made bed at night. It's cozy, it's comfy, the sheets are distributed properly, but also because when I get up and make my bed first thing in the morning, it gives me a sense of accomplishment. My room instantly looks better, and I'm already able to check something off my list. It's probably one of the easiest habits we're adding to our routines. For me, I keep my bed super simple, no extra pillows, no extra blankets. It takes me about 30 seconds to a minute, and it's totally done. So let's do it, making the bed. Okay, that's it. It was like 30 seconds and my bed is made, I'm ready to go. So I keep my bed super simple. That's what works for me. I don't really want the fancy stuff, and it takes extra time to make it. But if you like fancy throw pillows or extra blankets, go right ahead. It's your bed. Make it the way you want to. So let's talk about schedule really quick. I do my bed in the morning because that's what works for me. I'm the second one out of bed. My husband gets up earlier. I usually give it a good 30 minutes to air the sheets out, and then it can take pretty much any time in the morning to make it. But what if you're the second one out of bed? That's okay. You can either ask your spouse to help you out with this task so that it's done, or maybe it's something you push to the afternoon, or maybe you even do it right before bed, or maybe it's something you skip altogether. It has to work for you. Making my bed in the morning is something that makes a huge difference in my life, and I want to make sure that everything you're choosing to add to your daily routines makes a difference to you. So find a time that works for you to make your bed. Keep it simple, keep it super cozy, and I know it will make a big difference. So that's it for day number 4. It's super easy. Make sure you check off, make your bed on your checklist. And if you're filling out your journal, decide on a few things you can do to make your bed extra cozy and extra special just for you. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye. If you want to dive deeper into this challenge, head to my website, www.thesecretslob.com, and pick up the 21 Days to a Clean Home workbook. It breaks down the challenge day by day and helps guide you as you set up systems that work for you.